Now let's head to Cali, Colombia now, where Jamaica is expected to add to its medal tally later this evening at the World Athletics Under-20 Championships. This as sprinters Tina Clayton and Serena Cole will contest the final of the women's 100 meters at 8:35 p.m. Jamaica time.
Defending champion Tina Clayton is heavily tipped to retain her 100 meters title when the final goes off later tonight. Clayton was as easy as a Sunday morning as she strolled to 11.17 seconds to win semi-final 1 to book her final berth.
So they are away. Well, it is a good start from the Jamaican. This is Tina Clayton. Sado, though, from the Netherlands, she's running her all the way through to the finish. Well, it was the Jamaican who took that one in the end. 11.18.
Following Clayton through to the final is Serena Cole, who was second in semi-final 3 after posting 11.29 seconds behind Nigeria's Tima Godbless, who won in 11.20 seconds.
Medals already at global level as a relay runner, and God bless it is, who got away much quicker than Cole to her right. Cole coming back at her here, but it's God bless and Cole pulling clear of the rest of the field. Coming through strongly there was the American Pedersen in third. She will have to hope she qualifies as one of the best non-automatic qualifiers.
Brian Lavelle bounced back from a sluggish first round to run a personal best 20.34 seconds to win Heat 3 of the men's 200 meter semi-final to advance to Thursday's final.
Pulled up there, Gonzalez, it was of Puerto Rico. Murphy is now, Aidan Murphy of Australia coming through strongly, as is Farmy there, out in lane 8. Oh, and who can pick a winner from that one? Well, it was 20.83 seconds. And our first 3 and our qualifiers will be Brian Lavelle from Jamaica.
Also on the day, Onika Makano failed to advance from the semi-finals of the women's 400-meter hurdles as she finished 6th in Heat 3 in 59.74 seconds. National junior champion Rashawn Clark and compatriot Antonio Forbes both secured wins to advance in the men's 400-meter hurdles. Clark clocked 50.71 seconds to win his heat, while Forbes won his heat in 52.45 to join him in the semi-finals. Meanwhile, according to the management team in Cali, Sandra Davison, who did not start after pulling up in Tuesday's 100-meter semi-finals, has been ruled out of the championships due to injury. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.